What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Here is some good news for all the Galaxy fans out there. Finally, Samsung has added one of the most requested features, that is the network speed indicator. Yes, now we have got network speed indicator on Galaxy phones, and this can be enabled through a GoodLock module called Quick Start. Let's go to GoodLock application here. And inside GoodLock, you will find the Quick Start module. Open it. Samsung recently added some incredible features for customizing the Quick panel on this particular version of Quick Start. And now we have got another version of Quick Start here on which we have got the network speed indicator. Now here, you need to go to visibility of indicator icons. You will instantly notice the network speed indicator toggle right over here. And you can also see there is one more toggle here, a new toggle. This is ongoing chip. Ongoing activity chip. If you don't want this, you can disable this. You can see there is a cricket match going on and we have got this live notification here. And if I disable this, it just vanishes from here. You can enable or disable the ongoing activity chip right there using this particular toggle. And apart from this, rest of the toggles were available before as well. And the network speed indicator is something which you guys have been asking for. Let's go ahead and tap on this. It just gets enabled. There is no sub menu for this particular option. Once you enable it, you can see the network speed right over here on top. Let me go ahead and use one of the applications here. Now I am on my YouTube channel. Let me just play this video. You can see that this real-time indicator is showing you the network speed. This shows you the real-time network speed right here on the status bar. Now let's turn off the Wi-Fi here and let's see if it shows the network speed for the cellular network. Yes, it does show this. You can see the network speed indicator is right over here on the top right corner. Now this feature is finally available on the Galaxy phones. I see a lot of you guys commenting on my videos saying that when is Samsung providing network speed indicator? Finally, they have offered this. And another most requested feature, that is the application lock, which is not available yet on the Galaxy phones. We are expecting that feature on One UI 9.0, maybe through GoodLock. Let's wait and see that. Now, how do you get this specific feature, the network speed indicator, on your Galaxy phone? For time being, this is available on One UI 9. Currently, I'm on One UI 9 beta, which is Android 17. And this feature may only show up on the Quick Start module compatible with One UI 9. Now, if you are on One UI 9 beta on the S26 series, you will be able to get the latest APK of the Quick Start. Thanks to Kailash for sharing this APK on X. I will share the same APK with you guys in the description. You can go ahead and download it. And if you're not on One UI 9, this feature may not work. You can still go ahead and try to install the latest APK of the Quick Start module. It's highly unlikely that it's going to work on the One UI 8.5 or One UI 8. Be wary of that. But you don't need to be disappointed. One UI 9 is around the corner. Probably in about 1.5 months from now or 2 months from now, we should be getting the stable version of One UI 9. Next week, we are expecting the One UI 9 Beta 3, and the One UI 9 is quite stable on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. I don't see any bugs or stutters or lags or any such issues, the battery drain issues, nothing so far on the Galaxy S26 Ultra here. So it is quite stable, and we can expect the stable version of One UI 9 very soon. And that is when you'll be able to install the Quick Start module and use this particular feature, the network speed indicator. And I'm really hoping that the application lock feature comes soon on the One UI 9. That's all I have here. Let me know what you think about this feature. Have you been waiting for this? Drop a comment. While you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. We have reintroduced the video wallpaper section. You will find some beautiful video wallpapers, both free and premium. There are more than 7,000 wallpapers on this application. Do go ahead and download it and install it on your phone. The link for the app is in the description. Don't forget to rate it 5-star on Play Store if you like this application. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.